In this video I will explain you what are WhatsApp blue ticks and gray ticks. You can see when you send message on WhatsApp, then if message sent successfully from your phone, then you will get one gray tick. When the message delivered successfully to the recipient phone, then you will get two gray ticks. Then the message is read or seen by the recipient, then you will get two blue ticks as shown here. When you send media files like photos, videos and voice, then blue ticks appear only when the recipient opens the photo, video or plays the voice note. If you are in group chats, then blue ticks will only appear to other when everyone in the group has read your message. We have the option to turn off blue ticks on our phone. If we do this, we won't see blue ticks from others either, only gray ticks will appear instead. To do this, go to Settings. Next click on Privacy. Scroll down and there you will get Read Receipts. Just turn off that settings. Now you won't see any blue ticks. Conclusion. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.